Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC, High Universal Cut. So guys, look at this hair very well. This hair is called round cut, but normally people call it high fade. So whichever name you like calling it, just call it. This is high fade. It's still what? Round cut. Here in Africa, mostly in Nigeria, we call it Afro round cut. Can you see how it goes? Now, let me demonstrate it. Let me take my pen. Let me demonstrate it so that we understand it very well. Now, this hair now, the first guide, I've done a lot of video like this. So pay attention very well. Take your time to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. You will surely understand it and start barbing. Do you understand? So if today is your first time on seeing my channel, seeing my pages, please do well to follow, subscribe, turn your notification bell on, invite others, share this video. Don't be stingy. The reason why you watch this video finish and you will not be able to know how to do it is because you are not sharing this video. If you want to know how to barb this kind of hairstyle, once you see it, watch it and you benefit from it, share it, let other people too benefit from it. Do you understand? Let's be our brother's keeper, understand? So now, the first guideline is going to be what? It's going to be skin. See, look at it very well. Look at this hair. Let me brush it down. Look at it very well. This is the theory part. We are going to practicalize it. Look at it very well. Can you see it? Let me comb it. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Can you see it? Please make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end and learn this thing once and for all. Give us a thumbs up, like, comment and share so that people encourage us to do more. Now I've combed the hair finish now. Watch it very well now. This hair now is going to be what? High fade. It's going to be high fade. You can still call it Afro round cut. Do you understand? Don't learn names to some haircut name will even confuse you. Do you understand? Now the first guideline is going to be skin, total skin. I've done this video before. Watch this one. Please watch it from beginning to the end. So starting from here to here is going to be what? Total skin. Can you see it? It's going to be total skin starting from here to here. Then from here to here is going to be on low cut level, low cut blade. This is theory aspect. Please pay attention very well. Share this video. Let other people benefit from it. Please. Now, can you see that initially this hair stopped here, right? But now we can't just blend it and reach here. If we blend it and reach here, we are going to chop the hair. So the third guideline, which is going to be on step 1, is going to stop here. Watch what I'm doing. Then you still put it on step 1, put it on low cut level. You blend it downward like this, to make this blending rhyme very well, so that it will not chop. It will stop at this junction. Can you see it? Please share this video, and if you are not following me yet, please do well to follow me, because this my page, my channel is all about haircut tutorial, theory and practical. Do you understand? I'm different from others and I'm not in a competition with anybody. If you say that I'm not doing it well, fine. If you say I'm doing it well, fine. And if you say that I'm not doing it very well, please correct me. A teacher is also a learner. As I'm teaching what the little that I know, you can still correct me. I'll learn from you. Do you understand? So this is the theory part of it. Can you see? The first guideline is going to be skin. Second one is going to be on low cut level, blade. The third one is going to be on step 1. Then the final one, you blend it. Someone commented that, why didn't I use 1.5 on one tutorial that I did? I told him you have to make use of your what? Your calculation, your brain. See, look at this hair now. This hair is not that bushy. Can you see it? So probably step 1 can do the work. Step 1 will carry it very well. If the hair is bushy like this now, like this up one, then you use step 1.5 to blend it, to create that blending shape before using step 1. But look at it now. It's not that bushy, it's not that much. So step one will perfectly do the work. So that is why I told us that barbing is all about calculation. All this thing that you are seeing now is pure mathematics. That is why you can't just rush and be cutting hair. No, you learn how to handle your clipper, when to use steps, when not to use it, when to open the blade, when to close the blade. So barbing is very, it's all about calculation. And if you are not calculative enough, you miss out. Do you understand? But this channel, this page got you surely learn anything you want to learn. And after watching this video, any haircut you want me to make tutorial on, please comment it. And before you comment it, check my videos, check other tutorial I've done, if I've done it or not. Do you understand? So please share this video, like, comment anything that is in your mind. Do you understand? And don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube, my Facebook, and my TikTok. Follow me. Do you understand? You learn a lot. Let's go. So this is the theory part. So let's go to practical part now. So like I said, the first guideline is going to be on step one. Sorry, the first guideline is going to be on skin, total skin. How do you put it on skin? Do you understand? Please watch this video very well. You will not regret watching it. Now look at it. I've sterilized the clip already. Sorry that I didn't show you this part when I was sterilizing it. Now after you sterilize your clipper finish, the next thing you need to do, look at it. Look at it. You close the blade. Make sure that the two blades are well joined together. Make sure they are well joined together so that it will not injure your client. Do you understand? Then after you join it together, you turn your clipper on, you raise it up like this. See, if you watch other tutorial, you see that once they are creating the first guideline, which is skin, they will start like this, right? Yeah, you can start like this, but I normally start it like this. I first raise it up like this. Why? I raise it up like this because if you start it like this by spinning it like this, it's going to weaken the blade. So, but once you first raise it up like this, before spinning it, it will not weaken the blade. This is my secret. So you have seen the reason why I normally do it like that, right? So, watch how my hand is moving. There is no how you be following my channel. Go and check comments. People are learning a lot. I'll be like, hey, do you understand? No one knows it all. I'm not saying that I'm perfect, no. But the little I know, I'll surely share. So it lets for you to subscribe, it lets for you to follow, to share to others to benefit from it too. So after you have created the first guideline, which is skin as I said, can you see what I'm doing? So after you have created the first guideline, which is skin as I said, the second guideline is going to be what? It's going to be on low cut level. How do you put it on low cut level? You bring the gear down, that is, open the blade. Can you see it? You open the blade, you create the second guideline. Watch what I'm doing, guys. Remember, I told you that whenever you are barbing, you are cutting someone's hair, make sure you are brushing up the hair that you are removing, so that you see how you are creating how you are texturing the hair. Do you understand? So watch it. This is the second guideline, which is what? Under low cut level. So after this one now, the third guideline is going to be on step one. This is step one. This is step one. You put your clipper, you insert it, still put it under what? Low cut level by bringing the gear down. You create the third guideline. See what I'm doing, guys? You see how I'm moving my clipper, you see how I'm handling, you see how my hand is moving. So this is how you are going to do it. Can you see it? So after you have done this finish, after you have created the third guideline, the next thing you need to do, still put it what? Under low cut. Under low cut level. Under what? Step one. You turn your hand like this. Can you see it? You blend it like this. Remember, see where the blending stop. That is why we are not going to go up too much. So you hold it like this. You see the way I'm watch how my hand is moving. See the way I'm fading it. As if I'm brushing.